Welcome to Calligraphy Basics Video 3. Here we're going to talk about pen angle and X height. Let's start with pen angle. In this beginning course, we're going to use a pen angle of 45 degrees. If you're not working on gridded paper, use a protractor to find the angle of 45 degrees. Once I've loaded the ink into my pen, and I've got my ink flowing on a scrap piece of paper, I am going to line the edge of my nib up with that line of 45 degrees, and then I just move my hand over a little bit, keeping the pen nib at the angle of 45 degrees, and then I just trace my straight lines. You'll notice that you'll find that 45-degree angle at the beginning, at the end of each of these strokes. Now, I'm going to use the letter E to show how that 45-degree angle is going to create the thin and the thick strokes in the letter. There, the E is finished, and now with my pencil, I'm indicating the two thick strokes in the letter E, and now you can see the three thin parts of the letter E. All right, let's move on to X height. X height then refers to the height of a letter that doesn't have an ascender or a descender, such as the letter E. In calligraphy, weight refers to the relationship between the width of our nib and the height of our letters. In our course, the height of our letters is going to be 5 times the width of our nib. So to determine the height of my letters, I can either use the staircase method, or I can multiply the width of my nib, which is 3 millimeters, by the number specified for our particular style of writing, which is 5. Now, if I were to do the mathematics, 3 millimeters multiplied by 5 equals a letter height of 15 millimeters. Or if you happen to prefer to work in inches, that's about 5/8 of an inch.